Welcome to the NASCAR Subway Cup Series. This is a pre-race show. It is Season 3, Race 7 pre-race show. You guys are excited for this one. Race 7 will be the Daytona 500. At Daytona, you will see pack racing. Here's a picture. Long line. And with 2 or so laps ago, you will see tandem, just like this. Now, only a few people have perfected the tandem. Tyler Oder and Justin Perry. Martin Kelly and Mason Wood. Jordan Ippolito and Joseph Clark. Nathan Campbell and Connor Breton. Britt Dooley and Zach Buchanan. Bob McBob and Brian Tomey. Brian Tomey pushed Bob McBob to a win in race 2. Colin Dell and Tyler Chance. They worked together in race 2. Alex Tranker and Marcus Ricciardo, race 6 winner. And yes, race 6 is up. Not a lot of you have seen it. Now on the straightaways, you're supposed to be spread out like this to allow for room to move. And when in the turns, you're going to get really close. Now, how to push. This is correct. This is incorrect. And here's the result of incorrect. Tyler Chance and Colin Dell are the only people who want to run the high line. They're on top of the banking. Now Colin Dell has the pole. So he has pole. Last race winner, Marcus Ricciardo, will start 23rd. Now you can win from any position. And last season 2, race 7 winner, Britt Dooley will start 6th. Now another big tip, avoid the big one. Here's a couple from last season. This was season 2, race 2. Back before I got my frame rate right. Here was season 2, race 7. Race 7 had a couple of big ones. Oh yeah, I did put race 6 up. Not a lot of people have seen it because I put it up late Saturday night. I think it was around 10 when I put it up. So if you haven't seen race 6, please go back and watch it. Yeah. It was from last season. Here's another one from last season. And then finally we got one from the season. Season 3, race 2. New York Motor Speedway is the other drafting track. Huge crash on the front stretch. And here's an example of pushing gone wrong. The 47 was getting pushed by the 83. And here was the replay of that. Okay, watch the 83. He's on the left side. Goes up, gets into DJ Becker, who is having an awesome race that race. Okay, don't forget to like the Subway Cup Series on Facebook and go back and watch race 6. Thank you. Goodbye.